Hello everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm excited because we are going to start a new Python tutorial series that we are going to go from beginner to advanced. And in that tutorial series, we will do very small videos, focus videos in order for us to be able to master the little details and build on that foundation and go to more advanced concepts. So that's just an introductory video. And so so to start, I'm going to just create a script. Yeah, script using Python. So I'm going to just print this hello world. In the next video, we are going to see how to set up Python on the computer or on the MacBook, and from there we are going to start. We are learning the basics of Python before going to more advanced concepts. So stay tuned for more videos and stay blessed.